In many systems, a request does not go straight to the business logic. It passes through a few layers first. That layer is what we call middleware. Middleware sits between the incoming requests and your core business logic. It does not own the business feature, but it controls how the request is allowed to reach it. Think about a simple backend for a school system. A student tries to check their results. The request hits your server. But before your get results logic runs, a few things must happen. First, the system needs to confirm identity. Is this student login? That is middleware. Next, the system may check permission. Is this student allowed to see their results? That is another middleware. Then maybe you log the request. Who made it? When? From where? That is another middleware. Only after all these pass does your actual logic run, fetch results from database, then return response. Now, imagine you don't use middleware. You start writing this inside every endpoint. Check authentication here, check permissions there, add login everywhere. Very soon, your code becomes repetitive, hard to maintain, easy to forget something important. Middleware solves this by centralizing cross-cutting concerns, things like authentication, authorizations, login, rate limiting, input validation. You define them once, then apply them across routes. Now, let's make it more practical. Assuming you have an API endpoint called getResource. Without middleware, your controller might look like this. Check token, validate user, check role, log requests, fetch resource. But with middleware, your controller becomes clean. You just write fetch resource. Everything else happens before it gets there. This improves clarity, but more importantly, it improves consistency.